Hey everyone, it's Kyle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to speed up your manifestation process. I'm so excited to share this process with you. It's super easy to implement in your life. Before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and follow me on my social media, so Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and they will be linked in the comment section down below. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first way to speed up the manifestation process is you're going to take massive action. And what I mean by taking massive action on your desire is you're going to take action on your desire literally every single day. You're not going to take action one day and the next day you're sleeping, you're lazy, and you're not taking action on your desire. No, you're going to plow through those negative obstacles and you're going to take action on your desire, because every time you take action on your desire, you are being more aligned with your desire. You're shifting yourself towards seeing more opportunities or getting results that you want. You're also able to identify on who you prefer to be, and that is just so exciting because you are speeding up the process of manifestation. You are becoming who you prefer to be, and you're creating the life that you desire. So the second way to speed up the manifestation desire is that you are going to remove negative subconscious beliefs. And how you remove negative subconscious beliefs is you're becoming aware of those beliefs. And how you bring awareness of those negative beliefs is you're going to pay attention to the thoughts you say to yourself and the emotions that you feel around those thoughts. And I believe that most people tell themselves negative thoughts about themselves unconsciously. And so when we are telling ourselves negative thoughts unconsciously, we are unconsciously feeling negative emotions. And so we're walking around life feeling negative, but we don't really know why, because we aren't aware of those negative thoughts that are bringing us, making us feeling those negative emotions. So when we pay attention to those thoughts, we bring awareness. We are realizing that we're saying those thoughts, and once we realize those negative thoughts and those negative beliefs around the desire or the thoughts we say to ourselves, we are able to say, this no longer serves us. We can let it go. We can actually release those emotions around the belief, because when we are unconsciously telling ourselves negative thoughts and feeling those negative beliefs, negative emotions, we are suppressing those negative emotions because we don't know how we got those emotions. And so when we release them, we are able to implement positive beliefs about our desires and making ourselves feel good. So the third way to speed up the manifestation process is understanding the power of emotion. Power of emotion comes from the thoughts that we tell ourselves. And so if we tell ourselves positive things or positive thoughts about ourselves, we will feel positive emotions. And once we feel positive emotions, our vibrations are raised, and now we are becoming more aligned to our desire. But if we tell ourselves negative thoughts, we're going to feel negative emotions, and now we are no longer towards and being aligned with our desires, and we're moving away towards our desires, and we don't want that. We want to feel positive emotions. We want to manifest those desires. And so also in saying that, be aware of the words that you are saying, because words have power in them. And so certain words will make us feel certain emotions. And so be careful of the words you say to yourself and the thoughts you think, because those will cultivate a particular emotion that you will feel. So in summary, the 3 ways to speed up the manifestation process is you're going to take massive action on your desire. You're going to plow through those negative obstacles, and you're going to and once you take more action on your desire, you're going to feel more aligned with it, and you're going to shift yourself towards opportunities around the desire, or seeing or getting the results that you want. You're going to remove negative subconscious beliefs, and you're going to implement positive beliefs around your desire. And then you're going to and by understanding the power of emotion, you're going to tell yourself positive thoughts, and in turn you're going to feel positive emotions, which will then raise your vibrations, and then you're going to feel good about yourself, and then you're going to be more vibrationally aligned with your desire. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section down below if these 3 ways worked for you. I also, if you have any other law of attraction topics you want me to cover, I would love to hear from you. And yeah, I'll see everyone in the next video. Stay positive. Love everyone, hate no one. Peace out. Bye.